got my neighbor came over the other day and wanted his throttle body ported. So I picked up a little small job and told him what it would be if anybody was interested in getting this done. You know, just hit me up. So this is a throttle body to a 5.9 liter, I believe it is, 99 Hemi. He gets a good full opening. This is the before, and I'm trying to decide. I think I'm gonna tell him to get rid of that EGR valve because it's just, yeah. So I'm gonna clean it all up for him, obviously, but this is the port. So I'm hoping to gain some CFMs for the boy because it's kind of a smaller throttle body for his engine size. So yeah, got all the sensors out of it. IAC, like IAT maybe, throttle position sensor. Yeah, and I'm gonna be using a rotary burr or rasp with this little cobalt like die grinder, I guess it is, 1/4 inch. I had to grind it down just a taste to get it to fit good, but it's cool. Yeah, so I'll get you back when I get one port pretty good and hogged out, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I'm back with this throttle body, and I've got one side ported, and I'm sure, you know, it's pretty obvious which one it is. Pretty cool little test that I came up with that shows the amount of flow, like the actual size of the hole and throttle position at which how much air occurs. Is just put a light behind it, and pretty neat little test. So as you can see, there is a leak. Like, you have to have some leak for it to just idle and stuff, you know. There's about an equal leak. I never really went past the throttle blade at all, so you never do that. Where the seal is, you need to have it sealed. But as you see, the ported side, the light is traveling much further per throttle position, and it's, you know, let me tip this thing differently. The bottom side shows it better because the venturi is a little different. It's more biased to the bottom. So let's try this again. It'll be the left side now. There's it, yeah, there's a good example. So you can see that the ported side is much wider and clearer in the light, and it reaches out further way more quickly. And just alongside the fact that it is physically larger than it was, the radius on the inlet is pretty serious. It's as much as I could get, really. So I'm sure his right foot is gonna feel better because like that, you know, just partial throttle, so much more flow on the ported side. Yeah, that's a pretty clear depiction of it. Yep. So now I've got to do the other side and make it match, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like, subscribe, and if you need a throttle body ported, hit us up. Let us know. We might be able to get together on it. Peace out.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me